Hello and welcome. My name is Aram Yako. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can use ternary operation as nested ternary operation. And this is more advanced concept, so please follow everything in this tutorial. Haven't you seen the previous one? Please watch that one before watching this one. Alright. Let's show an example without ternary operation. So let's imagine the age is above 18, so it's 19, and we have a comment that is empty. We're going to do if age is above 18, we can do is equal. We do is if age is above or equal to 18, come inside here. Else, we're going to do this. Comment is equal under 18. So if it's bigger than 18 or equal to 18, we're gonna go inside here. If age is equal to 18, we're gonna do comment is 18. Else, comment is equal should be above 18. Let me change it here as well. So you can see that we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 line of code just to do this easy operation. What we can do instead is to wrap everything here inside a ternary operation and do it nested, because here it should be a nested. So we're gonna follow this code structure. We're gonna have a condition. If the expression is true, do this, otherwise do this. So let me show you the ternary operation. So the condition is age above or equal to 18? If that is true, do everything inside here. And what are we going to do inside here? Yeah, we're going to do another check. So if age is equal to 18, do is 18, else is below 18. And if it's not about bigger or equal to 18, we're gonna do what's gonna happen here, below 18. So this code has everything this code has. So what are we doing? We are checking the condition. Is it above or equal to 18? If yes, we're gonna do this operation. And inside here, we're doing another condition. We are checking if age is equal to 18, write this is 18. Otherwise, do is below, or should be above. Sorry. Is above 18. So here is a nest. Here's what this represent. Age is equal or bigger than 18. Do this. Check is age equal to 18. That is true. Do s is 18. Otherwise, do is above 18. However, if the age is not equal or greater than 18, we're gonna do the else. This one, which represent expression if false, and we're gonna write below 18. So if I delete this and do console write line comment, we're gonna see the output. So let's start the project, press F10, is above 18 because we give the age value to 19. If we change it to 18 instead, the comment will say is 18. If we change it to below 18, let's say 17, below 18. And we can also see it in the console. Alright, thank you for watching. Oh, wait, sorry. I have one more thing to say. The reason why I put these parentheses here is to increase the readability of the code. Otherwise, it could confuse some of the developer. What's going on? What's wrapped inside what here? But if we put parentheses here, the developers have it easier to understand that it's a nested ternary operation here. And they know that this condition here affect everything here. Alright, now, thank you for watching, and hopefully this is something some of you coders can use in your future projects. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and please comment if anybody will use this in the future or something, or if you have anything to point out or something like that. Alright, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.